Woo! Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Daily Crypto Trade Signals coming to you live from Vietnam, guys. It's a great time to be alive. It absolutely is a great time to be alive. We're seeing that the markets are going uppity up, and that's what we need. We saw Bitcoin went almost as high as $39,000 in the house, so that is cool beans in the house. We're going to talk about Elon Musk and Mark Cuban. They are talking about this is a huge catalyst for Dogecoin, and if this happens for Dogecoin, it's going to send Dogecoin to the moon. And if we get this in combination with the Tesla announcement, the Dogecoin Tip Jar, it's going to be huge, guys. I'm also going to show you some on-chain data from different TA analysts that are saying that even though we had these dippity dips, Bitcoin is still holding its huge support level, and we could be seeing a huge blast off in May and June. So I know a lot of you have been Debbie Downing over the last couple of days. A lot of you have been getting worried. A lot of you have been getting sick because you just saw that the Bitcoin price, crypto price, and the Doge was going down, and you guys thought that it was going down in the toilet and it was going to be big toilet time flush. But guys and gals, we seem to be having a recovery exactly as the OG predicted, exactly as I predicted. And a lot of that has to do with, we have all these leverage traders once again, and the market makers want to take your liquidity out there, and they're just manipulating the price of Bitcoin. And then also too, we have all the geopolitical tensions, we have inflation, all this stuff. It looks like in about 2 weeks from now, looks like the Fed is going to be increasing the interest rate's about 0.50 basis points. So that's pretty good. It's already baked in, so don't expect a big tankety tank when that happens. In fact, the opposite could happen. We could actually see that the market start to pump. So that's going to be good. So we could get a rate hike pump coming in, because that's going to just send a little bit more confidence into the market. And the weak Nancy traders on Wall Street who don't know anything out there, and what they're doing is they're not trading, they're not being logical, they're not being smart, they're not being intelligent. What they're doing is they're just gambling, guys. That's all they're doing. So, guys, if you love this content, you love the OG, don't forget to go down there, boop the like, smash the like, subscribe. And remember, none of this is financial advice. It's just the OG in the house expressing his opinion. I'm not a licensed financial advisor, guys. And one other thing, guys, don't forget to go and go down below. And, we got the Dogecoin tipping jar. Send us some Dogecoin dust. Show some support, guys. And also, don't forget to check out our merch, guys. We got hats, cups, mugs, and all that kind of stuff, guys. So check out the merch. Get the merch. You want the merch. I want the merch. I want you to get the merch, guys. So with that being said, guys, let's take a look at the fear and greed index right now. So the fear and greed index in the house is looking much better than where it was before. Yesterday we were extreme fear, guys. People are like running for hills, and now we've gone up. We've gone up a lot, guys, and this is pretty good. We've gone up almost six points in one day, so that is pretty good. So this Bitcoin reversal that we did see has had a very positive effect on sentiment. So hopefully we can get back up into neutral territory, and we're going to get there. It's just a matter of time. It's time. So I'm pretty bullish, guys. It's Monday, still a national holiday here in Vietnam. It's Independence Day, so it's a day off, and unfortunately, being in a beach town, they forecast 10 days of rain. So everybody that traveled from different parts of Vietnam and the world to come here for this long weekend, I guess it's just been a bit of a Debbie Downer. So I feel sorry for them. But what can you do, guys? I don't control the weather. I don't control crypto, but I love you and you out there, guys. So thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to boop the likes and smash the likes. Show some love with super chats. I would very much appreciate it. So remember, the fear and greed is a contrarian indicator, so that is good. And this is what we love to see. We absolutely love it to see this. We're seeing that Bitcoin is up right now. It did hit a high as 39,000, but we come off that highs a little bit. We did, Ethereum is up now. So I'm losing my mind because I'm so excited. So we're seeing Ethereum is up at $2,800 right now. So we're seeing overall, you guys can see here that overall right now, the whole crypto space is looking pretty positive. So that is pretty good. If you look at the pre-markets, and remember the broader markets are going to open up probably in about 12 hours from now, 10 to 11 hours, depending on when you're watching this. Dow is up, the S&P is up, and the NASDAQ futures up. Now it's only slightly up. So, it's anybody's guess where we could go. But I'm feeling pretty bullish. I think, the May has been typically a pretty bullish month out there for cryptocurrency. And you can see that right here. Let me just refresh that. Let me give you a minty refresh. And you can see that May is typically bullish for cryptocurrency, typically bullish for Bitcoin. Let's just change that to the monthly time frame. Here we go. Boom. So right now, you can see that April did close a big, huge Debbie Downer. We're down about 17% out there. But May is looking pretty good, and we're up 2.34%. So hopefully this will hold and will continue continue making some upward movement to the upside. So that is pretty good. I'm pretty excited about that. So you should be excited too. So this just coming in from Mustache in the house, altcoin season, blood in the market. Absolutely, there was blood in the market last week, but we have seen it all before. Absolutely, we've seen these ups and downs. You know, if you've been in cryptocurrency a very long time, ups and downs are very normal. We're again back testing the breakout of 1 again. According to this model, the value of the altcoin market will increase by 13.5x. So if that's the case, you can take wherever the cryptocurrencies are and increase it by 13x, guys. So that's pretty good. And you can see that, you know, we started round 1 here. We went all the way down. Elliott wave 1, 2, 3 pattern formation. We have some support around here. Then we did break out to target 1 here, Elliott wave formation 1, 2, 3. We went down, and then we had a 2,150% boost. And now we're looking at target 2. So if target 1, target 2 starts again, then, you know, we could be seeing a big, huge 13.5x pump to the upside. And I think this pump is probably going to be coming in the summertime, because as I showed you, pretty much overall, summer is pretty positive overall for crypto markets. So that is pretty good in the house. So guys, just as a rewind to the past, and we can see that 1 year ago today, we could have seen that Bitcoin is at 56,000. Ethereum was at 29.53. So if you look at Ethereum from 1 year ago today, it's not that far off, guys. So that's not too bad. ADA, you know, we're nowhere near. BNB, we're nowhere near. VET, Solana. I mean, Solana was 46.93 a year ago. And if we look at where we are right now, Solana it's up, guys. It's almost double from where a year ago. So that is pretty positive in the house. Luna was at 17 bucks, guys. And Luna is way up from there. Doge is down compared to a year ago. Matic, Mana, and Sand is up as well. Shiba Inu is up as well. So it's a bit of a mixed bag from where we were a year ago. But overall, the trendy Wendy is your friendly, and things are looking up and things are going down. Except for Dogecoin, guys. But we got some huge talk. Elon Musk and Mark Cuban are talking about the Dogecoin. This is huge, guys. This is huge. A huge catalyst in the house for Dogecoin. And, you know, we haven't seen Mark Cuban come out and talk about Dogecoin for a while. We also have not seen Elon Musk, and I don't think we've ever seen Elon Musk and Mark Cuban actually have a conversation together. So that's pretty huge. So this is from a TA analyst, and you know, if we look at these support levels here, new ascending support, we can see that this is going to be 100K soon. Breakout to the upside, bounce on the new ascending support, weekly RSI, hidden bullish divergence. So we're seeing a lot of goodness. We're seeing a lot of TA goodness. It just indicates that we're going to be seeing the itty bitty baby going up to 100K soon. I'm pretty confident of that. That's why I'm not panicking. Even though we have these, you know, collapses, these calamities, these, you know, blood on the street and all that kind of stuff, I'm still not worried. So also from TA analysts, again, we're seeing that in Bitcoin, we're seeing a low followed by a higher low, and that means one thing: bull run, guys, bull run to the moon. I just made a high low conclude. So, you know, we're still getting these lows and we're getting higher lows. So you can still see that Bitcoin is on this huge trajectory, and it's going up to the moon, guys. And definitely $100,000 is coming in. And if Bitcoin goes to 100,000, that's going to take our beloved Dogecoin to the uppity up to all-time highs. We're going to see all the layer 1, all the layer 2s, all the big caps, mid caps are going to go up, guys. Even the low caps should go up. But remember, I did tell you that diversification is key, particularly when we're having turbulence time, uncertainty. You want to have 50% of your portfolio on Bitcoin. You want to have about 25% in Ethereum, and the balance of the other 25%, you definitely want to have that in the big caps and mid caps. I mean, I'm staying away from the small caps right now. There's too much turbulence in the house. Sure, of that remaining 25%, if you just want to put it in mid caps and big caps, that's up to you. But if you're willing to take a risk with your money, you could take that last 5% and put a smattering of low caps in there. Now, I don't have any low caps recommendations. I don't play with the low caps, and I have this rule: if it's younger than 2 years, I don't touch it. Sure, there's some exceptions like Avalanche and stuff because I know the developers, but overall, you know, so Bitcoin, including the rest of the crypto market, closed above support. So we're seeing right now that a lot of the crypto market has closed above the support. You can see that here for Bitcoin. You can hear that for the Pupu Shmata coins. We're seeing Ethereum has closed above support, and the crypto cap market cap is also closed above support. So that is pretty cool beans. In the house, they're still above the support. So it's not a total breakdown in the house. So for the price of Bitcoin right now, we're seeing Bitcoin is at $38,565. We did go as high today. We did go as high as yesterday as 38,810. So that's not too bad, guys. So it looks like, we're still trending in our channel line. We're still in this accumulation zone between $48,000 and $35,000 in the house. So I'm not too worried about the itty bitty baby in the house. So from that perspective, if we look at Bitcoin on the 4-hour, it's not looking too bad. We're at 38,565. We've broken above the support level. We have some good support around about 38,300. So we're above that support level. And we did get pretty close to $39,000 in the house. And we are slightly below our 50-day EMA. If we can get above that, that's going to be pretty bullish in the house. Let's take a look at Bitcoin on the weekly right now. So Bitcoin on the weekly right now. So on the weekly candle, on the weekly candle, we got 6 days, 22 hours. We're painting a green candle. So that's pretty good. We've had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 disastrous weeks of Bitcoin going down, and the whole of April was a total Debbie Downer. And if we measure that for the whole the whole month of April, basically we have gone down around about 20%. So I mean, that is not a disaster in itself, but 20% slide in 1 month. So, we got to get back up there. Hopefully we can make our way back up to this level here, which is about 44,000, 45,000. And then if we can stay above there, then our next target is going to be $52,000. 40, 80, bitty, bye-bye in the house, guys. So this is coming in from BTC Fuel. Ethereum made a bullish engulfing pattern. Also a bullish falling wedge has formed. So this is pretty bullish, guys. So hopefully this will take Ethereum up to the moon, guys. And we're still seeing more and more Ethereum being burned every single day, guys and gals. So when are we going to get McDonald's to accept Dogecoin for payment? It's anybody's guess. But I want to see it. You want to see it. So let's message that out. McDonald's, when at McDonald's, when at McDonald's. So this is pretty cool. And this is from PYTH in the house. Thank you for sharing. I appreciate it. So here's the big news. This is from Mark Cuban. And Mark Cuban was talking about we should add an optimistic roll-up to Doge. Everyone puts up 1 Doge for unlimited posts. So this is related to Twitter, that if you want to make unlimited posts, you put up 1 Doge. That'll do 2 things. It'll verify that you're a human being out there and not a bot. And also, too, if anyone contests a post and humans confirm it's spam, then they get the spammer's Doge. So this would really reduce a lot of the spam out there. So Mark Cuban has a very novel idea. The Dogecoin developer, Billy Marcus, he likes it. And also, Elon Musk, who now, basically owns Twitter, he's also loving it. He's saying it's not a bad idea. So, that would be pretty good. And this was, also set the stage for the catalyst. If Dogecoin becomes the cryptocurrency of Twitter, and if you want to have unlimited posts, yada, 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 you got to pay with Doge. Huge catalyst. And, this would also reduce the bots as well. Because the bots on, Twitter, on YouTube, and every other platform are just insane. Even on Telegram, the bots are crazy, guys. So watch out there. Crypto's a jungle out there. Crypto is a jungle out there. So be safe, guys. Watch out for the beady bada bots. So right now, guys, for the price of Dogecoin, we're seeing that Dogecoin is at 1322. We need Dogecoin to get back above 1350 right now. So it did almost get back at 1350, but it's having a little bit of resistance and having a little bit of trouble getting up there. So we need some Dogecoin action with some Dogecoin catalyst, guys. So go on Twitter, go on social media, start pumping out the Doge, guys. You're gonna want it. I want it. So let's take a look at the leverage apes in the house. Let me give this a minty refresh, guys and gals. And while you're waiting, guys, don't forget to go and check out the links. Guys, go and tip on the Dogecoin. Tip jar is now available. Send us some dust, guys. You want to send some dust. And remember, all the merch, all the super chats, all the dust, all that goes to charity. So right now we're seeing that $110 million worth of wreckage out there. So that's pretty light. 44,000 traders have been wrecked. If we take a look on the 24-hour basis right now, we see that shorts are building up. So that's pretty good. It's going to put a short squeeze on the biddy, and that's going to drive up the biddy price. We're seeing that on the 12-hour short, so that's good. That means Bitcoin's going to go up. On the 4-hour shorts, Bitcoin's going to go up. And on the 1 hour, it's long. So we could see probably about 24 to 36 hours of Bitcoin going uppity up. And then probably followed by Tuesday or Wednesday, we should see the Bitcoin price going down. And don't forget that every Thursday is reversal day, guys. Absolutely reversal day. Let's take a look at Ethereum in the house. So right now, Ethereum is at 28.39. So Ethereum is actually performing a little bit better than Bitcoin right now. So that's pretty good in the house. Phantom, my Phantom right now is at 78 cents. So it picked up around about 16%. So that is pretty good. Cool beans in the house. And you know that some of the reasons that Phantom is down is because they're having some issues with their Phantom USD algorithmic stablecoin. So that has created a little bit of negativity out there because remember, it's about trust in the project, guys. And if the community doesn't trust the project, then people will sell and it's going to tank. So we're seeing right now Solana's at 89.51. It's well below our $100 support. So I think we're probably going to make some moves up there, at least for the next 36 hours. Hopefully we can get above that $100 support. And if we do, even if Bitcoin goes down a little bit, we should be okay with that. So let's take a look at the Shiba Weeby for the Shibis out there. So right now Shiba Inu is below the 22 support level here, and we're at 21.46. Let's take a look at the total market cap. Let me just give this a minty refresh. Make sure we got all the updated data. Don't forget to go and check out the merch, guys. Get the merch, get the mug, get the cap. All that goes to charity. As I said, guys, don't forget to check it out, guys. And right now we're seeing that the market cap is at 1.78 trillion, and the volumes are pretty light at 51.45 billion. But the Bitcoin dominance is too high. We're seeing more liquidity flowing out of Bitcoin, out of altcoins into Bitcoin, and that's not a good thing to do because we need the Bitcoin dominance to go down to like 37, 38, and then that's when the altcoins are going to pump in the house, guys. So right now we're seeing that Bitcoin is up almost 2%, so that is good. We're seeing that Ethereum is up 2.83%, so it's outperforming. And typically, you know, in a pump situation, Ethereum will outperform Bitcoin, particularly when the dominance is low. So that's pretty good. We're seeing that BNB is up as well, 2%. We're seeing that Solana is up as well. We're seeing that Luna, the tuna, is up as well. ADA is up as well. So there's a lot of bargains out there. There's a lot of this is a great time to be buying the dippity dip. You know, if you look at a 30-day, you know, Solana down 33%, Luna down 22%, ADA down 33%. Avalanche down 38% on the monthly basis, 18% for the Shiba Inu, 7% for Doge. So Doge is doing much better, a lot healthier on the layer ones and the big caps compared to the other coins. Look at Matic. Matic is down 36%. Doge only down 7%. So Doge is holding its own, guys. So do not discount the Doge. Don't hate the Doge. Just love the Doge, guys. So with that being said, guys, go and follow me on my Twitter. We got right now we've got about 4,300 followers. So go down there, follow. Boot the likes, guys. Smash the likes. Subscribe. Comment like a crazy man. And remember, you can comment more than once, guys. So don't forget to go and once again check out the links, guys. Become a Patreon member. Buy the channel a coffee. Check out the NFT collection at OpenCIO.DigitalAsian. Don't forget we got the tip jar. Go to the tip jar. Don't forget to check out the merch finally. And with that being said, guys, I just want to say God bless each and every single one of you out there. Be well. Be blessed. It's crazy out there. Crypto is a jungle. It's absolutely a jungle. You're going to love it. I love it. So I'll see you in the next one at 8 p.m. Bangkok time. Set your watches. Set your clocks. Get ready, guys. It is huge. God bless each and every one of you. Go with God. Be with God. Think about God and be neighborly. Love your neighbor. Love your wife. Love your kids. And just be great out there. Be a great human being. And let's get it, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo!